This is me, the Intrepid Investigator speaking. I am here fairly far away from our native Scotland, in Upper Appalachia. I'm unknown in a glen hitherto unknown to me, known to the locals, as much as there are around about here, and there are as Hickory Valley. Strangely enough, no one wanted to show me the way up here. It's a rather sunny glen, you know. Locals don't like it very much. They tend to avoid it. Why? Well, it's because of that old cabin you see up there, which I'm now going to investigate. You might just notice my slips of tongue in the beginning of this wee film. Already sort of feeling the impact. It's a fair bit spooky here right enough. Go down, you Knoxville girl with the dark and rolling eyes. Go down, you Knoxville. I don't like those noises around here. They carried me down to Knoxville and locked me in a cell. My friends all tried to get me out, but none could dull my bell. I'm here to waste my life away down in this dirty old jail, because I murdered that Knoxville girl, the girl I love so I just wish I'd taken my gun along. Right, this is me back again, the Intrepid Investigator, still at the mysterious old cabin somewhere deep in Appalachia, in that mysterious glen named Hickory Valley.